Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six server connection error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then uh, after that go to device manager, go to display adapters, right click update, search automatically for drivers, and then go to network adapters, do the same thing to all of those drivers one by one into the last one. And now go to control panel, network and sharing, network and internet, and then network and sharing center. Now first option, go to access type internet, it must be internet, and then connections, maybe it's internet or Wi-Fi, so click on it, then properties. Now protocol internet version 4 properties, select this option and copy those numbers here. Okay, close it, and that's it. Restart your PC, your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.